to set YouTube music notification settings. First, you're going to simply open the YouTube Music app, and once you're inside the YouTube Music application, you want to simply tap on your profile picture at the top right of your screen. By doing so, you'd be able to see your settings over here. Tap on settings, and once you're inside your settings, you want to simply tap on notifications. Inside your notifications, you'll be able to see a lot of notification settings over here. You'll be able to personalize your notification settings over here. However, if you want to turn off all kinds of notifications, you'd be able to do so like this. You can simply come back from the app completely, tap and hold onto YouTube Music, tap on app info, and you want to click on notifications. You'd be able to turn your notifications on over here. However, if you want to keep it turned off, you can simply tap on it once to turn it off. You'd be able to choose your notification style as well, and here will be your personalization settings as well. Again, hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.